Hello there everyone and welcome to Trains at Taplow Railway Station. And to kick things off we see the departure of 345051 working the 11:23 Elizabeth Line service from Abbey Wood through to Reading. First freight action of the video is 66596, working 4 Lima 36 from Wentloog through to Felixstowe North. Flying through the station for Great Western Railway is 387167 and 387171, working 1 Lima 13 from Cardiff Central through to London Paddington. That rumbling in the distance is the arrival of 60055, working 6 Zulu 60 from Willesden DC rail siding through to Merehead Quarry. Next to fly through the station for Great Western Railway is 387152, working 2P40 from Dinkert Parkway through to London Paddington. Next flight through the station for Great Western Railway is 800-314, working 1P23 from Oxford through to London Paddington. Next to fly through the station for Great Western Railway is 387156. Working 2 November 26 from London Paddington through to Dinkert Parkway. Another freight train for you now in the form of 66589 and 66558, working 7 Alpha 40 from Merehead Quarry through to Hanwell Bridge Loop. Passing fast for TfL is 345040, working 9 November 50 from Abbey Wood through to Maidenhead. Also passing fast for TfL Rail is 345020, working 9U41 from Maidenhead through to Abbey Wood. Arriving next into the station will be 345010, working the 1144 TfL Rail Elizabeth Line service from Reading through to Abbey Wood. Passing fast for Great Western Railway under threatening skies is 800 313, working 1 Charlie 12 from London Paddington through to Bristol Temple Meads. Also passing fast for Great Western Railway is 800 011, working 1 Golf 13 from London Paddington through to Cheltenham Spa. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 345045, working the 1153 TfL Rail Elizabeth Line service from Abbey Wood through to Reading. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.